Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you hear the whisper about the Apple Intelligence in the new iOS 18 beta? It's got everyone talking, but before you go imagining an AI takeover of your iPhone, let's take a deep breath and break it down. Apple has been hinting at a feature called Apple Intelligence in the iOS 18 beta. This futuristic sounding name refers to using artificial intelligence (AI) to make your iPhone even smarter and more helpful. Imagine a Siri that anticipates your needs before you even speak, a search engine that knows exactly what you are looking for, and apps that works together like a well-oiled machine. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Here's the thing, while the iOS 18 beta mentions Apple Intelligence, it's not a quite ready for the prime time yet. Think of it like a sneak peek at a movie that is still in filming. It's exciting to see what's coming, but the special effect and final touches haven't been added yet. Apple is known for taking its time to perfect features before releasing them to the public. This way it ensures a smooth and polished experience for everyone. It allows gives them the time to gather more data and fine-tune the AI for optimal performance. The official launch of Apple Intelligence will likely happen with the full public release of iOS 18, not the beta version. This could be sometimes in the fall, but Apple hasn't confirmed an exact date yet. So don't worry, there's no need to FOMO, fear of missing out, just yet. Stay curious and keep an eye out for further updates from Apple. In the meantime, enjoy the other cool features in the iOS 18 beta. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.